This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Freddie Molson. Don't miss this outstanding corner unit in the desirable spyglass mid-rise on the golf course in the heart of Boca Country Club. The very open floor plan offers an airy and bright feeling from the moment you walk in. This split-bedroom plan creates a very private master suite. Just steps to spyglass's clubhouse and Olympic-size pool. The unit comes with one covered parking space and an abundance of guest parking. Enjoy the security of a 24-hour man gate, a key fob entry lobby, and only 2 condos per floor. Club equity membership is not required, but is available. Located close to major highways, shopping, and restaurants, and only minutes to downtown Boca and trendy Delray Beach. For more information, review the details below or contact Freddie Molson at 561-981-9400.